Good morning, boys and girls. Thank you for connecting to Mr. Reyes class this morning. So we are going to be working with lesson 8 today, boys and girls. What lesson? Yes, lesson 8, boys and girls. So last Friday we did lesson 7, so we're going to continue with lesson 8. Okay? So lesson 8 says, boys and girls, I can solve word problems involving the total value of a group of bills. So we're still going to continue working with word problems, boys and girls. And then instead of coins, we're also gonna do including bills. Okay, bills are dollar bills, like $1, $5, $10, $20, $50, $100. Okay, so go ahead and let's look at the first at the application problem. Okay, so the application problem, boys and girls, says Kiko's brother says that he will trade her 2 quarters for 4 dimes and 2 nickels for $1 bill. Is this fair trade? Is that a fair trade? How do you know? So you guys already know that whenever we work word problems, boys and girls, we have to follow the RDW process. Go ahead and write it on the side. We have to follow the RDW. And we know, boys and girls, that R stands for read, D stands for draw, and W stands for write. Okay, that is something that we already know because we have been working this before. So now let's read it again. Kiko's brother says that he will trade her 2 quarters, 4 dimes, and 2 nickels for $1 bill. Okay, so don't forget, let's go back and circle good information. We know that 2 quarters is awesome information. We know that 4 dimes and 2 nickels. Ooh, also $1 bill, okay? Quarters. So we know that quarters are worth 25 cents. So go ahead and label quarters, and we know that they're worth 25 cents. We know that dimes are worth 10 cents, and we know that nickels are worth 5 cents. Okay, $1. Okay, so $1. So we know that Kiko's brother says that he will trade her 2 quarters, 4 dimes, and 2 nickels. Okay, for $1 bill. We're gonna see if that's a fair trade. Okay, so 2 quarters. So let me write the Q for quarters. The Q for quarters, we know that there are 2 quarters, so my repeated addition will be 25 plus 25, and we know that 25 plus 25 equals 50 cents. So we know that 2 quarters equals 50 cents. Okay, so let me cross out 2 quarters because we already did that. Now let's go with dimes. Let's write a D for dimes and draw that tape diagram. Dimes, ooh, 4 dimes, boys and girls. Okay, so don't forget that dimes are worth 10, so I will be adding 10 4 times. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Yay! So we know that 4 dimes are, 4 dimes it is 40 cents. Okay? Now, boys and girls, I'll cross it out. I'll cross out dimes because we already did quarters. So 2 quarters is 50 cents. 4 dimes is 40 cents. Now 2 nickels. Let me write an N for nickels. And let me draw a tape diagram because I need to do my box for nickels. And I'm going to be adding 2 5s, right? Because nickels are worth 5 cents. So 5 plus 5 equals 10 cents. So we know that, boys and girls, she has 10 cents for her nickels. Let me cross it out. So we know that for quarters, Kiko has 50 cents, dimes 40 cents, and his nickel, the total value is 10 cents. Now they want to know, boys and girls, they want to trade it. They want to trade money, and they want to know if it's a fair trade, right? So first we have to add to see how much money he will be trading, okay? So let's see, 50 plus 40 plus 10. So 50 plus 40 equals 90 plus 10 equals 100 cents. Yay. Ooh, $1. Is it a fair trade? Yes. Okay, let me write. I already read, I already drew, so I need to write my statement. So yes, it is a fair trade, boys and girls, because we know that 100 cents equals $1. So is this a fair trade? Yes, it is a fair trade because 100 cents equals $1. Okay, boys and girls, go ahead and pause the video. If you guys need to write this down, don't forget. You guys can always pause and always go back. Okay, I need to move on to my next one. So look at my next word problem, boys and girls. The next problem says Alisa has five $5 bills, 12 $1 bills, and three $10 bills in her wallet. How much money is in her wallet? Don't forget, right here it's linked to do the RDW. So let me put check mark because I already read it, but let me read it again just in case I didn't understand the problem, right? Alisa has five $5 bills, 12 $1 bills, and three $10 bills in her wallet. How much money is in her wallet? Ooh, they want to know the total dollars that Alisa has in her wallet. So now they're talking about dollars. Ooh, so now we have to be drawing dollars, right? So we know, before we start doing that, boys and girls, we are gonna go ahead and circle good information. So we need $5 bills is good information, 12 $1 bills, and three $10 bills. Okay, those are good information. Okay, so we know that she has five $5 bills. So let me draw those five $5 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that she has five $5 bills, and those five $5 bills. Okay, let me write a dollar sign because now we're talking about bills, dollars. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, $25. So those $5 bills, it is equals to $25. She also has, boys and girls, 12 $1 bills in her wallet. Okay, so let me go ahead and do the dollar bills now. But now she has 12, right? So let me do it smaller because there are a lot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know, boys and girls, that 12 $1 bills is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is $12, boys and girls. 12 $1 bills, it is equal to $12. Now, she also has three $10 bills in her wallet. Okay, let me get another color because we know that she also has three $10 bills, so 10. So now I'm gonna do boxes and make a 10 inside. So 1, 2, 3. So we know that three $10 bills is $10, $20, $30, boys and girls. Okay, now how much money is in her wallet? So we know that we have $25 for the $5 bills. We have $12 for the 12 $1 bills. And we also have three $10 bills, and that's $30. So let me go ahead and add those numbers. So 25, let me work the problem on the side. 25 plus 12 plus 30. Okay, now let's work the problem. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Ooh, so we know that she has $67 in her piggy bank. Okay, so where did we draw? We already draw something for our word problem. Now we're just missing our statement. Let's go ahead and write it. How much money is in her wallet? So Alisa has $67 in her wallet, period. Okay, let me make a little check mark because I already did my statement. Don't forget, boys and girls, go ahead and pause this video if you guys need to write everything down in your periodic. Okay, I'm gonna be leaving the link so that you guys can also do it in periodic. Let's do one more, boys and girls. It says Silas uses two $20 bills, three $5 bills, and four $1 bills on a gift for his aunt. He's going to save the rest. If Silas started with $80, how much will he save? Sorry. Wow. So this seems like it's a multi-step word problem. That means we have to work two problems to get the final answer. So I already read it. So let me make a little check mark, but let me circle good information or underline. So we know that two $20 bills we're gonna need, three $5 bills we're gonna need, four $1 bills, okay, $80. Okay, so go ahead and let's draw something for it. So we know that she has two $20 bills. So two boxes, boys and girls, of $20. And we know that, boys and girls, two $20 bills is 20, 40. It is $40, boys and girls. Okay, we don't need that anymore. And she and he also has three $5 bills. So I'm gonna be making three boxes of five. 1, 2, 3, $5. And we know that three $5 bills, it is equal to 5, 10, $15, boys and girls. Okay, and then four $1 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know, boys and girls, that for $1 bills, it is equal to 1, 2, 3, $4, right? Now we need to add how much money, okay, he will be spending in her aunt. So 40 plus 15 equals, boys and girls, 55 plus 4 equals $59. Okay, so that's how much Silas, boys and girls, is spending on the gift for his aunt. But Silas started with $80. How much will he save? So for that, we're gonna have to subtract 80 minus our answer. So $80 minus 59. Okay, so when we subtract, boys and girls, we already know that we are detectives. Magnifying glass. We take our job very seriously. I have 0 apples. I want to give 9 apples away. I cannot give 9 apples away, boys and girls, because I'm starting with nothing. So we have to unbundle from our 10. So 8 becomes 7. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9 equals 1. 7 minus 5 equals 2. So my answer is $21. How much will he save? So Silas, I already draw something. So let's write our statement. Silas saved $21, period. Okay, this is our statement. So making sure, boys and girls, we are following the RDW process. Go ahead and pause this video. You guys need two, boys and girls. At the end, I will be putting your exit ticket so that you guys can do by yourself. Okay, there's two problems that I'm leaving behind so that you guys can work at home. Do it in your own pace. Don't forget, very important that you guys are submitting your work because I will be checking for your exit ticket. Okay, please, like I said, if I was going too fast, you can always pause this video so that you guys can go back and double check your work. Okay, boys and girls, have an amazing Monday. I'll see you guys on Thursday in school. Okay, I will be available. You guys message me if you guys need anything. Bye.